Hey, what's going on, guys? Michael here with another Apps Every Day. Today we're taking a look at Shotlister. Also apologize for the microphone. I'm currently on my iPad Pro, so this should give you a good idea as to how that sounds. But anyway, Shotlister is a fantastic app for if you are shotlisting for a short film, feature film, whatever it may have you. Good way to organize everything. When you first open it up, you get access to all your projects. I'm going to go into the sample project that is created basically when you download the app. Now you can see here that you have all your different scenes and you get some basic information. On the left hand side you have a lot of project settings as well. If you are a premium member like I am, which is literally like $13 a year, then you can turn on Crew Sync. What that means is if I turn this on, then any devices that I invite my crew to, they will get any updates, changes, things like that. Because not only are you setting it up here, you're actually setting up for shoot days. So I could go into shoot days here, and if any days are scheduled, it would tell me what scenes I was doing on which day. Now if I tap on any of these, I can go into the specific scenes, and I can see all the shot names. So I can see 8B, C, D, and so on. You can see what sort of cameras are going to be used for specific shots. You can see the size is, you have M for medium, CU is close up, medium wide, MW, so on and so forth. They name it, the description, which is basically the action, and any sort of gear, as well as the cast members that will be used. On the left hand side you have a brief summary of that scene. Is it interior, exterior transition? What's the action in it? And on what day is this shot being handled? Now you can tap on anything to get even more so if this was a VFX shot, I could tap that, and you notice now on that first shot under the VFX there's a little lightning bolt. So that way if the VFX supervisor is on set, they can easily see that they need to pay attention to this shot going on. Now of course I can go in here and hit the plus button here and add a shot name. So I'm just going to call this closing, since we'll go on the end. And we can see we have camera A, type of the description, see martini shot, which is the final shot of a film. Oops. And then we can go in and say gear. This one we're definitely going to want to use a crane. Lens, I'm a huge fan of 35 for everything. And you can even flag certain things. So again, if you want to draw attention to something, you'd be like, make sure you get the shot, something. And then you can even duplicate the shot if you were just making subtle changes to one over the other. So it's a very easy to flow and kind of very quick, since usually when you're creating a shot list, there are a ton of shots, especially the longer your film is, and therefore you definitely want something that's quick and easy, as this is. Now I can go into the share and I can actually export this to multiple different formats. PDF even, you can go straight to your Dropbox. You can make it black and white or color, because if you're making a ton of prints you may not want to use color. You can circle take numbers. You can add in storyboards, especially on the computer version, which is out now. If you want to add in different thumbnails, you can do that here. And so I could hit export there. Obviously it's going with those scenes. And then since I chose Dropbox, it automatically links up here, and I can put it in any folder that I wanted to. But I'm not going to export this one since it's a basic project file. But yeah, so that is a super quick look at the Shotlister app. If you guys have any questions about it, let me know down in the comments below. I've been using this app for years, as well as in the description is where you can find to check it out for yourself. And while you're down there, don't forget to recommend a new app that I should check out for Monday. And yeah, I'll see you guys on Monday.